lovelies, today I will be making mini blueberry loaves. Here I have Martha White blueberry muffin mix. All you do is just add milk. So one bag, you add half a cup, but since I'm doing 2 bags, I'll be adding a full cup of milk. Then you want to stir gently, and it's okay if you have a little bit of clumps. And let's spill some milk there. You want to make sure you have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. Okay, the batter's mixed. And I will be spraying my mini loaves with some Pam, because I don't want it to be too sticky on the edges or hard. So I filled up the mini loaf about halfway. And now it goes into the oven. So the blueberry loaves are out the oven. I baked these for about 24 minutes on 350 degrees. I went ahead and put some butter on. Now I'm going to wrap them up in plastic wrap to lock in that moisture. But that's it.